Hello everyone, welcome back to another stock analysis video. I'm making an analysis video after a very long time now. So let's quickly get started. Here I have 9 stocks that I'm going to share with you all. A few of them are for swing trading and a few of them are for intraday. So let's get started. First, as you can see, this is the daily time frame of Wipro. Wipro, as you can see, it is near 200 EM and it is following a parallel channel, right? And we also have a trend line over here. And as you can see, the stock is at a parallel channel. So what we can do is, if the stock breaks down this level and if it sustains below this, if it sustains below this zone and below 200 EM, a short entry can be taken and we can consider this level as our first target, this level as our second target. Okay, and if it comes down, it takes a support and goes up again, then a long entry can be taken and we can consider this level as our first target and this level as our second target. Okay, this is Wipro in daily time frame. This is for swing trading. Moving on to the next one, we have Reliance over here. Reliance, again, as you can see, it is on 200 EMA, right? And for swing trading, if the stock is on 200 EMA, then it is a crucial zone. Okay, so if the stock takes a support and goes up from here, a long entry can definitely be taken. We can consider this level as a first target, this as a second target. If you can hold it very long, you can consider this level also as a third target. Just in case the stock breaks down, a short entry can be taken and we can consider this level as our first target. And for second target, yeah, we can consider this level as our second target for short side. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you are a safe trader, what you can do is you can just wait for it to break this trend line. But no, because the trend line is almost near the first target, right? So you don't have to wait. Yeah, that's okay. You can take an entry after it closes above this level only. You can take an entry. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have RBL Bank over here. RBL Bank, as you can see, it is consolidating and a trade can be taken after breakout. If it breaks out on the long side, we don't have a recent transaction level over here. I think, okay, we do have. We can consider this is a level, but I'll just check how big this is. Okay, 10%. 10% is also a lot. So what you can do is you can consider this level as your first target. Right? You can consider this level as your first target and this as your final target. Okay, for short side, it's gonna, I don't think it's gonna break out downside as of now because the stock is here and it will take some time to break down. If it breaks down and after some time, what you can do is you can look for a short entry over here. You can consider 200 EMA as your short target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, as you can see, it has been seeing correction for some time now and it is at a level, right? See, it is definitely at a level. It had given a breakdown but it's gone up again. So after, if it gives a bearish sign again, a short entry can definitely be taken and you can consider this level as a short target. Just in case it goes up, you can consider this as a bear trap and a long entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your first target and this level as your final target for HDFC. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have TVs Motors over here. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. This is for intraday. Okay, right. So as you can see, the stock is at a level. If it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken and you can consider this level as your short target. I'll just check how big this is. Yeah, 1.3% is okay for intraday. You can consider this level as your short target. For long side, I won't really recommend anyone taking a long trade before it closes below this level. After it closes below this level, a long entry can be taken and you can consider pivot level as your long target. 1 or 2 pivot is enough for intraday. Like I always say, 1% target is more than enough for intraday. Consider try getting a risk reward ratio of 1:2, which will be great for your trade. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have Tata Power. This is the 15 minutes time frame of Tata Power, and as you can see, the stock has gone up and this has taken a pullback. We can consider this as a flag and pole pattern, right? This can be considered as the pole and this as the flag. So what we can do is we can wait for it to break out. Is also near 200 EMA. After it breaks out and if it sustains above this level, a long entry can be taken and we can consider this level as our target. Okay, we can consider this level as a target. I'll just check how big this is. Okay, 0.7%. We can consider one more level over here, right? So this can be your trade for long side on Tata Power. I'm not going to give a short trade because long side looks much better in this one. Short side doesn't look very good as of now. Okay, so moving on to the next one, we have SBI, State Bank of India. Okay, I see levels over here, right? And I can also see, okay, we can consider this as a zone, right? We can consider this as a consolidation zone and we can take a trade after it breaks out. I can also see a trend line here, right? So what we can do is we can wait for it to close above this horizontal level. After it closes above this horizontal level, a long entry can be taken, and you can simply consider this level as your long target. If it breaks down, you can take a short entry and you can consider this level as your short target. I'll just check how big the targets are. Okay, 0.8%, and here is 1%. So what we can do is we can consider one more level. Okay, we can take this also as our long target. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have ICICI Bank. Okay, this is actually far, so let's not talk about this. Okay, this is actually far. This can be this what I was planning was, if it closed above this level I could have taken an entry, but no, this trade didn't close above, it went sideways. So we are not going to consider this as of now until unless close above this level. So we are only going to look at the stocks that I shared here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 stocks we have. I'm so sorry, they were not 9 stocks, there were 7. RBL and ICICI we don't consider. RBL I've already given here, so 7 stocks. Okay, so this is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.